Welcome to day 6 of our Taishan dance challenge for beginners. Today we are practicing the Varu, which is the 8th move that we saw on day 4 that I will link below so you can have the basis. Today we're gonna add some music, just a little reminder. Feet together but not close together this time. Leave a little space to twist your heels. Bend your knees, control your upper body as always, and we're gonna twist. Okay, so I'm gonna put the music and we're gonna do 10, 1, 2, up to 10 looking this way, 10 looking this way, and then 10 looking this way. Are you ready? Okay, go. Hope my little videos help, and I will see you tomorrow.